Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure EVSEsmart plug pairing with your charging controller, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your EVSEsmart plug and charging controller ready. Check that both devices are powered on. Locate the Wi-Fi network settings on your charging controller. Open the app associated with your charging controller on your mobile device. In the app, navigate to the Settings or Device Pairing section. Select the option to add a new device. Your charging controller will start searching for available devices. Next, take the EVSEsmart plug and locate the pairing button. Press and hold the pairing button on the EVSEsmart plug until the indicator light starts blinking. Wait for your charging controller to detect the EVSEsmart plug. Once found, select the EVSEsmart plug from the list of detected devices in the app. Follow any prompts on the app to complete the pairing process. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi network credentials. Monitor the indicator light on the EVSEsmart plug for confirmation of a successful connection. Once paired, you can configure any additional settings within the app. Test the connection by initiating a charge using the app. Ensure that the EVSEsmart plug is functioning properly with your charging controller. Check for any firmware updates in the app to keep both devices running optimally. Congratulations, you have successfully configured the EVSEsmart plug with your charging controller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.